Walking into the stock market today. Plays clip of Grandpa Simpson exiting the hedge, taking off hat. Grandpa then walks a circle, puts on hat and re-enters the hedge. Lamau, my entire watch list is red except for AMC. Lamau, my entire watch list is red except for AMC. Turntables. No, that's JBC. Only one turntable brand, Technics. I like Shinola. It gets 2 points across very effectively. I spent a lot of money on this record player. I don't listen to records. So glad I held on to AMC. It could go either way, but the fact that NYC is about to reopen theaters means that the rest of the country will soon follow, and that gives me hope. The problem with AMC is that it wasn't doing well before the pandemic either. It was trading at less than what it is now during 2019, which scares me. I'd insta-buy below $5 though. Most places that reopen like ski resorts are doing much better than just 2 years ago because people miss the option of going. Let's hope the same thing happens to theaters. The biggest issue here is whether some studios stick to direct-to-streaming. That could be detrimental to AMC. The trend also seems to the lounge, reserved seating with food and drinks, which could really reinvent the theater business model, but the upgrades aren't cheap. I bought the dip on AMC and feeling pretty good right now. Build-A-Bear laughing out loud. BBW. I just don't bother checking now. I don't have much invested, but I have diversified across a few industries and companies. I'm about 20% down on everything, so time to set it and forget it. We'll check back next week for any change. Time to buy that unprofitable mining company I always wanted. All of it or just the tip? Pretty crafty mining company if they can't get deeper than the tip. He did say it was unprofitable. They hit rock bottom. This is gold. No, this is Patrick. This is why we're an unprofitable mining company. I'm surrounded by buttholes. Keep digging, buttholes. Sir, this is a Wendy's. Nah, then they'd be profitable. I see what you did there. Probably why it's unprofitable. Buy the tip, buy the tip. If it's coated in palladium, going to be just the tip. Oh F you, I literally did that 30 minutes ago. I'm going to regret that I am. What kind of GPUs did you get? The riot kind. Lamau, I'm all in on so many penny mining stocks right now. Rest ABML FOF Rest NMGRF. Battery metals are the wave in a booming EV space. I've made more money on NMGRF over the past year than the rest of my portfolio combined. They made that silly Elon commercial a while back and I was like, F yeah, they're going places. Ooh, that's a connection I hadn't made. Rare earth elements, bro. America only has one mine that can provide them at Mountain Pass in California. China has control of massive amounts of them and is willing to use that control punitively to spike prices in technology supply chains. My rare earth metals ETF is down 6.3% today. I thought I'd do well on copper like last few days, seems they went to go help the guy working on the unprofitable mine. Must have good moonshine. People joke, but I bought a few thousand shares TGB, Taseko Mines, at $1.12, was over $2 today and earnings are Friday. They also got approved for a new expansion and copper plant. Plus 56.40% past month. Up 400+% YTD. Copper will pay big this year, maybe late summer. I'm all in. Sponsored reply by Argentinian mining company. I need a reason to sell my mining stocks. Reading someone plugging them on WSB is probably as good an excuse as any. Probably a better reason than most. Laughing my butt off. I got some $A.R.L.P. trending up right now. I used to work there. Liquidating all my shares at a heavy loss. They screwed us. ABML, it's dipping so hard right now. I'm an ABML, and they're a bit shady. Old CEO got kicked for fraud. They're getting tiny loans from several dozen small places, and I believe most of their 80 mil capital is going to unnamed consultants. If someone can convince me this isn't a money laundering front, please do. Holy crap, I wish I knew about it before it rebounded 40%. Yo, I grabbed that dip. I like Pretium and Seabridge. I like Fire Truck and Moster Truck. I bought it as well, so I'm down 20%. Inf. This was a fabulous day to wait until 9:45 to buy, then sell at 10:15. Too bad I didn't. Slept though at haha. Woke up late, portfolio down 10%, back to sleep for a few more hours. Did it get better? Was it all a dream? I used to read Word Up magazine. Salt and pepper and heavy D up in the limousine. Sardines for dinner? Too bad the SEC has rules against poor people making money. PDT is bullcrap. I bought the GME dip today and could have made a quick profit 20 minutes later, but I'm unfortunately never selling because I like the stock. I have also been eating crayons, buying the dip. I like the stock. I bought one at 9:45 then set a sell limit because I was busy. Apparently the goddamn stock got to within 1 cent of my sell limit but never tripped it. Stock went right back down. Sad day, hopefully it rebounds tomorrow. Good news is AMC is up slightly. The bad news is it's not up enough to cover the few hundred losses. I'm up to minus 50%. I'm holding 50 at $10. I am retard. 32 at 17, high retard on dad. 245 at $16.50. I got 65 at $7.80. The $5 call I bought this morning at $1.96, like a minute before the big drop this morning, expires 2/26, has made me some money at the moment. How exactly does that even work? Magnets. This video was extremely informative. Web link. Do not sell. Be a retard. To err is ape. Hold until AMC recovers. If we sell, we abandon the cause. Jumped up after news of theaters reopening in NYC. One city, one big effing city, is what caused this leap. Hold till they all reopen. Everyone in here like I love sales. What the F how? I'm already 100% invested. The F y'all doing with money just lying around? Max out credit cards. Duh. If you're going to go bankrupt, bankrupt yourself big. When the market is on a bull run, it's a good idea to take some profits and hold it in cash for when it tanks next. Also, I hope you at least have 3 to 6 months worth of cash in an emergency fund. I have $300 in my bank account and had $1,200 in stocks. Now I have $900 in stocks. Bruh. 19 and still live at home. My only bills are car insurance and phone bills, so it's all good. Still live at home. Is your wife's boyfriend your dad? This hits close to home for someone, I'm sure. Bruh. I'm a 30-old engineer and this is me too. I own my own company and it's basically me too. What is this /r/personal finance? Reddit link. Seriously. 1. The idea of someone in /r/WallStreetBets having 3 months cash is absurd. 2. I'm pretty conservative and risk averse, and even I think 6 months cash is stupid. If you talk to the morons in PF, they'll say crap like, well, what if you lose your job, and get injured, and your parents die, and they don't have anything to leave you, and all your friends abandon you, and you can't get government benefits. Mother effer, what if a meteor hits you? You mean you don't have billions of dollars to reconstruct your consciousness in an AI apotheosis? Wow, you negligent fool. 6 months in cash is stone cold stupid. You're losing money to inflation on half a year's salary. Reddit link. Not disagreeing with your points, but it's 6 months of expenses. Not 6 months of salary. However, For someone living paycheck to paycheck, it's the same thing. When it tanks next. Yeah, I did that. I waited for the 5th red day in a row and used up all my margin. That was yesterday. Lol, come on dude, invest 10% of what you can so you can buy during fire sales. What if you buy when you think it's the fire sale? Then it drops another 40%. You incrementally buy in with 5% of your funds day by day as it continues to crash, and you'll find the floor sometime. Or not. This could be the market crash that eclipses all others and sends the world economy into a decades-long tailspin. Though I doubt it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to be the first to know about Red Rabbit Reader's new videos. If you like our videos, please like them on YouTube and share them with your friends. We welcome your comments below. Press to start another of our videos.